Alright, let's be real. Vacuuming isn't exactly anyone's favorite chore. But what if your vacuum actually made it satisfying? In 2025, Shark has stepped up its game with some seriously impressive machines that don't just clean. They think, they adapt, and they make your life easier. Whether you've got pets shedding like crazy, kids dropping snacks everywhere, or you just want a spotless floor without the hassle, Shark has a vacuum that's made for you. From cordless powerhouses to smart, lightweight models and even budget vacs that punch way above their price tag, I've tested them all and narrowed it down to the top 5 Shark vacuums that are crushing it this year. We're counting them down from number 5 to the ultimate winner. So stick around to the end for the best of the best. All the product links are waiting for you in the description, so check them out while we go. And if you love finding the smartest gear for your home, hit that subscribe button and join the Consumer Picks crew. Are you ready? Let's dive in. If you've got pets or kids or both, you kind of messes that pop up in between deep cleans. That's where the Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus comes in. This little handheld beast is built for quick action. It's compact, cordless, and surprisingly powerful for spot cleaning pet hair, dirt, and dust on everything from car seats to couches. It comes with multiple attachments, a crevice tool for tight spaces, a stiff bristle brush for stuck-on messes, and a turbo brush for fabrics. Now, while that turbo brush isn't the greatest at handling dense pet fur on upholstery, the vacuum overall does a solid job on low-pile carpets and rugs. What's the trade-off? The battery life is short, just about 10 minutes. So it's not ideal for full-room cleans, but for quick jobs, this thing is a time saver. It's also not the best for allergy sufferers due to weak air filtration. But if that's important to you, consider upgrading to the WandVac with a HEPA filter. If you're after value without compromising too much on performance, the Shark 9141 is your go-to. This budget-friendly vacuum may not have all the bells and whistles of its pricier siblings, but it gets the job done. And that's what matters. Suction power is surprisingly strong for bare floors and even carpet. It comes equipped with a solid trio of tools: a crevice tool, a dusting brush, and an upholstery tool. Everything you need for a whole home clean on a budget. Now, there are some limitations. It doesn't have auto-adjusting suction or a telescoping wand, and the brush roll isn't removable, which makes cleaning hair tangles a bit of a pain. Battery life is around 40 minutes, which is pretty standard. But again, no auto-sensing, no scent cartridges. Still, for the price, it's a very solid Shark vacuum that gives you great cleaning power at a wallet-friendly cost. If you're looking for that sweet spot between power and price, the Shark Cordless Pro might just be your new cleaning MVP. This vacuum delivers a ton of performance without draining your wallet, making it our pick for the best mid-range Shark vacuum of 2025. Let's talk features. The Cordless Pro comes equipped with Shark's CleanSense IQ technology, which automatically adjusts suction power based on the amount of debris it senses. That means you're never using too little suction when you need more, or wasting battery when you don't. It also comes with Shark's odor-neutralizing cartridge, a small but brilliant feature that releases a fresh, clean scent while you vacuum. It's like a breath of fresh air for your floors. Now, it doesn't have quite the same motor power or battery runtime as the top-tier Stratos model, but it still packs a punch. You'll get about 40 minutes of runtime, which is enough for most medium-sized homes. And what really makes the Cordless Pro stand out? Maintenance is a breeze. Unlike the Stratos, the Pro's floor head features a fully removable brush roll, making it super easy to clear out tangles, hair, or trapped debris. That small detail alone makes this vacuum a winner for pet owners. If your top priorities are lightweight design, smart automation, and effortless everyday cleaning, the Shark Detect Pro Cordless should be at the top of your list. This thing is incredibly nimble, making it ideal for homes with hard floors, light carpeting, or anyone who doesn't want to wrestle with a bulky vacuum. Despite being lighter and slimmer, it still brings the tech. Like its big sibling, the Power Detect, the Detect Pro features automatic floor sensing, dirt detection, and edge detection, meaning it knows exactly where and how to clean and adjusts its power in real time. That translates to less guesswork and more efficient cleaning. You'll love how it boosts power when it senses a tough mess and dials it back when it doesn't need full strength, helping save battery life. It also comes in at a lower price point, and with frequent discounts dropping it closer to the $200 mark, it becomes one of the best value Shark vacuums on the market today. If you grab the version with the auto-empty base, it takes convenience to the next level. No more emptying the bin every day. Topping our list as the best overall Shark vacuum of 2025 is none other than the Shark Stratos Cordless, and for good reason. This thing is a beast. It's built for people who want power, convenience, and premium features all in one sleek cordless design. The star of the show is Shark's Clean Sense IQ system, which uses infrared sensors to detect how dirty your floors are and adjusts the suction automatically. No more switching modes manually. This vacuum thinks for you. It's also equipped with a cartridge-based odor neutralizer, so every time you clean, your home smells as fresh as it looks. The folding wand is another game changer. It allows you to reach under beds, couches, and furniture without bending down, and it also folds for compact storage. The battery delivers up to an hour of runtime, which is impressive for a cordless stick vacuum. That means fewer interruptions and more cleaning done in one go. If you're serious about keeping your floors spotless and want the most powerful, feature-rich cordless vacuum Shark makes, this is the one to beat. So there you have it, our top 5 Shark vacuums of 2025, ranked and reviewed. Whether you need a quick handheld for on-the-go messes, a budget-friendly option that still packs power, or a premium cordless beast that does it all, the perfect vacuum is waiting for you. Product links are in the description below. Make sure to check them out if one of these caught your eye. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Consumer Picks, and ring the bell so you never miss our next guide. We've got more reviews, more comparisons, and more smart picks coming your way every week. Thanks for watching, and keep your home clean and your choices smart.